Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can change your, if you have the problem to change your screen timeout. Okay, so how you can solve it, right? So before we solve this timeout problem, do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. And here you can see the setting. Just tap on setting. When you move on setting, you have to scroll on the down. Then here you can see the option of the display and brightness. Tap on it. When you tap on display and brightness, from here you can see this auto lock, it's not working, right? So how you can solve this problem? So to solve this problem, you have to click on the back button. After that, here you can see the battery option. Tap on battery. Then after that, here you can see the second option is the low power mode. So here you can see battery color has been changed. Okay, it's in yellow color. So first of all, just turn off this low power mode, and here it has become normal. Then click on the back button. Then again you have to scroll on the down, and here you can tap now display and brightness. After that, you can scroll on the down, and here you can see this auto lock has been activated. So you can right now change your screen timeout. Okay, you can change from 1 minute to 5 minutes, 5 minutes to 30 seconds. Okay, you just select from here any of these options. You can click on never also if you want to set never. Okay, if you don't want to set a time. Okay, so this is how you can solve your screen timeout problem. So friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.